Welcome to the channel Dynamax Global. Introduction. Spain has become one of the most attractive destinations for students, workers, retirees, and families due to its quality of life, culture, and opportunities. To live legally in Spain, foreign nationals must obtain a residence permit and, eventually, a residence card, tarjeta de identidad de extranjero. A crucial step in this process is empadronamiento, the official registration at the local municipality that confirms your address. This essay provides a comprehensive guide to both procedures. Part 1. Spain Residence Card, TAI, Process. 1. Understanding the TAI. The TAI, Tarjeta de Identidad de Extranjero, is the official residence card for non-EU nationals. It contains biometric data, the holder's NIE, Número de Identidad de Extranjero, and the legal status in Spain, student, work, family, or long-term residence. 2. Requirements before applying. Before booking an appointment for the residence card, you must have an approved residence visa or residence authorization. Obtain your NIE, foreign identity number. Secure valid health insurance, if applicable. Show proof of sufficient financial means, students, retirees, and some workers. 3. Steps to apply for the TAI. Enter Spain with your visa. You must apply for the card within 30 days of entry. Book a TAI appointment, Cita Previa, online through the Spanish government portal. Prepare documents, valid passport plus entry visa, a copy of visa approval, resolution letter, empadronamiento certificate, required proof of address, Form X17 completed and signed, proof of payment of fee, Form 790, Code 012, passport-sized biometric photos, attend appointment at Policia Nacional, Oficina de Extranjería. Biometrics, fingerprints, photo, and signature will be taken. Collect your TAI after 3 to 6 weeks, using the Resguardo receipt provided. Part 2. Empadronamiento in Spain. 1. What is empadronamiento? Empadronamiento is the process of registering your residence with the Ayuntamiento town hall. It is required for applying for residence card, TAI, accessing healthcare and social services, enrolling children in school, proving length of stay for long-term residency or nationality applications. 2. Required documents to register. You typically need passport or residence permit, and copies, rental contract, property deed, or landlord authorization, utility bill, sometimes required as proof of residence, completed registration form provided by the Ayuntamiento. 3. Step-by-step process. Book an appointment at your local Ayuntamiento or online, in large cities like Madrid or Barcelona. Some smaller towns allow walk-ins. Attend the appointment with documents proving your identity and address. Sign the registration form. If renting, bring a signed contract. If subletting, you may need a landlord's authorization form. Receive empadronamiento certificate, volante o certificado de empadronamiento, immediately or within a few days. 4. Validity and renewal. The empadronamiento does not expire if you are a resident. For non-EU citizens without permanent residence, some municipalities may request renewal every 2 years. Connection between empadronamiento and AMP, residence card. You cannot complete the TAI application without proof of address, which is demonstrated through empadronamiento. It serves as an official link between your residence and administrative status in Spain. Practical tips. Keep copies of all documents. Spanish bureaucracy often requires duplicates. Book appointments early. In big cities like Madrid or Barcelona, slots fill quickly. Language. Some offices may not speak English, so bringing a Spanish-speaking friend or translator can help. Updates. You must update your empadronamiento when you change address. Conclusion. The Spain Residence Card, TAI, and empadronamiento are inseparable steps for foreigners living in Spain. The TAI provides legal residence and identity, while empadronamiento integrates residents into the municipal system, giving access to essential services. Understanding these processes helps ensure a smooth transition into Spanish life, avoiding bureaucratic delays and ensuring compliance with local regulations. Thank you for watching this video.